What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yoda Expedition here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to mount your Rotopax cans onto your Sherpa rear window panels. So when it comes to mounting Rotopax on your window panel, there is a number of different mounts that you can get from Rotopax, and there is a number of different cans from water, storage, or fuel. But the one thing you're gonna make sure to need is the Rotopax window mount kit. You're gonna need one of these per every can that you wanna mount onto your window panel. So you can do one, you can do two interlocked the long way, or you can do two with them stacked on top of each other. So I'm going to show you how to install the mount on the window panel, and then we can go ahead and get the Rotopax cans mounted. So opening up the Rotopax window mount kit from Sherpa, you're going to find 4 bolts and nuts that is going to hold on the mounting plate for your Rotopax mount. And then each kit is going to have 4 rubber insulators, and that's going to go on each 4 corners of the can so that it's not rattling on your window panel. All right, so when it comes to mounting the Rotopax onto your window panel, you're going to have 3 locations here where each of these X's are. So if you just want to run one can, you can go ahead and mount your Rotopax mount right here in the center. And if you want to run 2 cans interlocked together the long horizontal way across your 4Runner, you can go ahead and put a Rotopax mount here and here, and that'll hold 2 cans. So let's go ahead and get these mounted on. All right, so we're gonna be starting with the deluxe mount from Rotopax. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that opened and show you everything that's included in that. All right, so we have the Rotopax lock here itself, the mounting plate, and then all of the hardware that comes with that. But to mount this, we are not gonna be using the hardware that came with the Rotopax mounting kit. We're going to be using the hardware that comes in the Sherpa mounting kit. All right, so first thing we need to do is mount the Rotopax lock onto the mounting plate here. So that's going to be pretty easy. Just line up these 2 holes, and we're going to be running in these 2 bolts here using a 1/2 inch socket. All right, so now that we did that, we can head over to the window panel and we can get this mounted onto there. So let's go ahead and do that. So at this point, you may have to take off your window panel if you can't get your hand behind there to get to the bolts. If you're lucky enough, you'll be able to pop off the suction cups and fit your hand back in there, but only if you have small hands. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get one of the bolts started. I'm gonna be putting the bolts in from the back side. So one thing you want to do when mounting this is make sure that it is in a vertical position. If you mount it horizontally, you're going to run into an issue where the can is going to sit on the suction cup. So for those nuts and bolts, you're gonna need an 11mm wrench and 11mm socket and ratchet. All right, so we have the Rotopax mount on the window panel. Next thing to do is to put on our Rotopax can, figure out where this is going to be sitting, and then install the rubber insulators on each of the corners so that your can doesn't vibrate against the window panel. So I'm going to put one right about here behind the spout area, and then I'll go ahead and put one behind the other 3 corners. So when it comes to mounting just one can, we're finished. Last thing to do is just lock it in place. All right, so from here you can easily just have one can. You can go with 2 cans stacked on top of each other like this. Or if you want, you can go 2 cans horizontally interlocked together like this. And to do that, we're going to repeat the same process that we did, except mounting one of these here and here. We won't need one in the center. So that's going to conclude the install of the Sherpa Rotopax window panel mounts. If you guys are interested in those or anything else from Sherpa, it's available on yodaexpedition.com. I'll put the link down in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.